Hello everybody, if you're watching this, you are wondering what happened to Reynoso Auto Detailing. Where is Mike at? What's going on? Did he go out of business? Did the business go under? Did it get bought by somebody else? In this video, in a short video, I'm gonna explain to you exactly what happened, what's gonna be the moves coming forward, and why I decided to change the business. And let's get right into it. So my name is Mike Reynoso, founder of Reynoso Auto Detailing, now named Paradise Auto Care. So happy new year everybody. I hope you guys have had a great 2025 so far. I know it's been a rough start, especially in California. It's been a rough year so far, but for us especially, it's an important time of change, you know, in a new year where I actually wanted to plan this big change for January 2025. It's actually been in the works for months, and I've been planning and thinking about it actually since about a year ago plus. So it's been a long time coming, and I'm super happy to announce that it's finally here. So if you know what I do and what my business does, if you are watching this because you're a YouTube subscriber, maybe you saw this on Instagram, or maybe you're a client of ours and we've been doing work for you and you're wondering what's going on exactly, this video is going to be explaining exactly what happened, what went on, and what's to come. So thank you for watching this. Make sure to stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed if you're a client, you want to see what's going on with our business. And if you are already a subscriber, make sure that you know that not to unsubscribe to this channel. We're still the same people. I'm still the same person. I'm still Mike, still going to be coming out with same YouTube videos, and business is going to go on as usual, just with a new name. So I thank you all so much for supporting me along this journey. I started Reynoso Auto Detailing in 2021 actually, so it's 2025 now. It's been over 4 years in about 2 weeks, so I'm super happy to be able to continue to make content, to be able to continue to have a base of not only loyal supporters, but fans, but people who care about us, friends. Just so much love you guys have been giving to me, and I really appreciate you for sticking all the way through this. And now this is a big change that I've been planning. The main reason, especially for this change, is because I've had a lot of changes myself in my life this past year. So let's get a little bit more into that. So let's go a little bit back in time when I started Reynoso Auto Detailing. I was still actually in high school. I was just a young kid. I was always a hustler, you know, go-getter since I was a young kid. Started, you know, doing side hustles, online businesses, things like that since I was 13, 14 years old. So by the time I got to around like 17, I was like, you know what, like I love cars, I need to do something with cars. And I was like, I couldn't see that far into the future. I was just a kid, again, at the end of the day. I didn't know exactly what I was doing. I said, you know what, let me just start my business, go out there, start detailing. After people kept continuing to ask me to get their cars detailed, and I was like, you know what, let me turn this into a business. So I couldn't see that far in the future. I thought it was just gonna be me forever. You know, I thought I wasn't, you know, ever gonna hire anybody or grow an actual business because I didn't know what a business even was. So I was like, you know what, let me just slap my name on it, Reynoso Auto Detailing, boom, done. I'm good, right? Well, no, not really. Now, years later down the line, I look back and I'm like, you know what? I did the best I could with the knowledge I had at the time. I was young. I didn't know what I was doing. And now I realize that name, it's just really about myself. And I don't want the business to be about myself. This is a business where I started out of passion. I started out of purpose, you know, for cars, for people, caring for the people, and not only caring for other people, but also caring about them by caring for their cars. So I really, really believe in that wholeheartedly, because I love when I can be able to get my car clean, restore my car, or protect it, make it last so much longer, and that's so meaningful to me. So I wanted to share that with everybody. So again, I don't want it to be about myself anymore. And now that we're scaling and growing, I don't want it to even, you know, focus on my presence. So I want to get rid of the name Reynoso, which, don't get me wrong, that's my name. It's going to be my name till I die. You know, I really value my family name, and it's important to me, but it's not what my business is. My business is about people. My business is about the community, cars, caring, you know, for cars, caring for people, sharing that passion and that purpose with the community, which I so love the most. And the auto detailing part, now why it's auto care. I started off just detailing, and now again, we care for cars, so we do all types of protection. We went from detailing now to doing PPF, so paint protection film, window tint, and also now rock chip repairs. For example, glass, when it cracks, we fill in those cracks and repair it. So we're doing a lot of different things, and it's not just detailing anymore. Not only do we care for cars, but we also care for them entirely, completely, not just detailing. A lot of people are asking, why Paradise? You know, is it like, you know, we're in California, sunshine, palm trees type of thing. You know, why don't you have palm trees in your logo or something like that? Great question. So I know a lot of you are wondering why the name Paradise. Is it SoCal? Well, actually, I had a big revelation and change in my own personal life in the past year, and that's something that I wanted to make a lot more meaningful. After over 20 years, 21 years of life with not really believing much of anything, in terms of faith-wise, I had no idea where my path was. I had no idea what I could be guided by. So that's something that ended up changing this past year, 2024, in my life. And I finally found, faith in God. And I know, sometimes people may seem like it's a controversial topic, but it's really not. Everybody has a connection, to their creator. And that's something I want to share with the world. I want you to know, what we are represented by, the values that I have, the values that I want to build my business on. And the reason why it's so important to me, so valuable to me and my business coming forward. So that's actually where the name Paradise came from. So in that case, what Paradise Auto Care means to me is not only are we caring for cars, we're caring for people. And not only just for their cars, but for them as well. And for helping them, being able to help them in the future and offering and extending a hand to the community over time so more people can reach their way to paradise. And that's a beautiful thing that I want to make this business so much more meaningful for, and not just make it about cars, money, appearance. This is something where I wanted to have a meaning and an impact, a long-lasting impact, not only in my life, but in others' life, to build a team, to grow and scale with, and an impact on our clients, our clients who become friends, who are great supporters. This is something I want to share with the world and not just keep to myself. Along with Paradise Auto Care, you're gonna notice, things like a new logo, which is really cool, inspired by the P in Paradise, and as well as, basically some car inspiration, like some checkered marks. And in there as well, if you look hard enough, you'll find something special that a lot of people may not notice, but if you look in the logo, you'll find something special that may call you, that may be a little bit meaningful, and is what called me the most when my designer sent me over that graphic. And I thought it was amazing, I thought it was beautiful. I don't believe in coincidences, so that's an amazing thing that actually came out of that logo. So I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. It's a really cool new design. It's more simplified, more modern, more sleek. So that's really cool. Moving forward with this business, you're also gonna notice that there's gonna be a new company model, which is really cool. So Paradise Auto Care, what we're about is detailing with purpose and passion. So we're not only gonna be detailing, caring for cars, but we're gonna do it with purpose, a meaningful purpose, which is our mission. And we're gonna do it with passion, with love for cars, with love for people. That's what is super important to me. That's what I wanna share again. And with this new rebrand, what we want you to know about our mission is that we are dedicated to providing an exceptional auto care that's gonna transform every drive into a joyful experience. Our passion for service saves you time, allowing you to cherish what truly matters: your family, your faith, and the meaningful moments with every single person that you love. So that's why we focus on so much more purpose behind this business and really making sure that it's for a reason. So a lot of people are wondering, what does this mean for you, the viewer, whether again, you're a YouTube subscriber, you're one of our clients and friends, or you're an Instagram follower, or maybe you're looking at getting your car detailed by us. What does it mean for you? Great question. I can assure you there's not going to be any change in the way that we do business in terms of quality. If anything, it's only continue to get better and better as we grow and scale. Especially really important with us is, again, providing you with the best service. So the goal is to use this rebrand to continue to grow and share with more people, build a team and a business that can provide and reach the entire community. Myself, I cannot reach that many people. We're planning on continuing and growing so we can reach more and more people with a bigger team and changing more lives. So a lot of people are asking us, since the rebrand, are your services gonna change? Well, not necessarily. Some of them are changing, a little bit. They're not really drastically changing. We've renamed a few different services. Prices are almost all the same. One of the biggest differences now is just gonna be our ceramic coating packages are gonna be tiered into 3-tier systems. And now we are GEON certified detailers, by the way. So we're gonna be able to offer you a 10-year manufacturer warranty coating. Pretty cool. Some new different things like that, which is awesome. Again, we're offering mobile and shop-based. As you can see, we're here in the home detailing studio where we offer auto detailing. We're doing, for example, ceramic coatings. We've been doing paint protection film and window tint, but now we're also doing in-shop and mobile glass crack repair. So that's one of the new things that's coming for 2025. So with us, you're gonna be able to make sure you get a guarantee for any of our ceramic coatings. You're gonna get a 10-year warranty for our ceramic coatings. Also really cool thing, we're actually Glass Well certified technicians for glass crack repair, which is a new thing. Certified detailers with International Detailing Association. So now we're a 2025 member for the IDA, International Detailing Association. If you didn't know that there's actually an association and a standard for detailers, there is, and we're part of it now. So we're proud to be able to be in the IDA. So that's a blessing for sure. Same thing as always, we are a Carfax service center as well. So for example, like before and now in the future as well, all of our services that we're gonna do to cars are gonna be uploaded to Carfax, which is an amazing thing as always. It's nothing new. We've been doing it for a while and we're gonna continue to do that. A lot of people are asking, since the rebrand, what else is gonna change? Like, are you gonna change your software system, your phone number, website, what's going on? So website will be new. It's gonna be paradise-autocare.com. Instagram is Paradise Auto Care, YouTube is Paradise Auto Care, all the same things for our social medias. Phone number is gonna be the same. If you guys have our phone number or go to their website, you're gonna find our phone number. In terms of like online booking, anything like that, we have our online booking link fully updated. That's great as well. People are asking, are you gonna change like any programs, anything like that? We also have our new VIP maintenance program, which is super cool. That's gonna be a maintenance program that's paid monthly. We go out there, whether it's mobile, whether it's shop-based, we detail your cars on a monthly, bi-weekly, weekly basis and get you some savings, some perks, some benefits, and get you on a VIP maintenance list where you're top priority every single month. Super cool. Besides that, we have our new referral rewards program where actually you're gonna be able to share your code or QR code with one of your friends or family members when they want to be referred by you to come over to us and get their car detailed. If they've never had their car detailed with us before, they're gonna be able to get a discount and you're gonna get a reward for your referral. We really appreciate that, so you're gonna have access to that now as well, which is amazing. If you know me, I've been making content for a long time. I'm gonna continue to make as much content as possible, and I really appreciate the community and the community that we built on Instagram, on YouTube, and I really appreciate your guys' support. I want you guys to leave a comment down below for any ideas, anything like, for example, what you want to come next, because we're obviously planning on continuing to push to grow all of our social medias. I want to continue to grow and share as much as I can, from my journey, from my experience, my expertise as a detailer. I want to share that with the world and want you guys to be able to have as much help, as much guidance, as much insight into a detailing business as possible. If you guys have any feedback on this new rebrand or maybe any suggestions, comment that down below as well. And if you're a detailer or a business owner, in any different field, whether you own a plumbing company, whether you're a detailer, whether you're a tradesman, let me know what your experience has been like in terms of like rebrand. What do you think about when a company goes through a rebrand, or have you yourself gone through a rebrand in your business? Have you changed your logos? Have you changed your name? How has that gone? Comment that down below. So if you've watched this far into the video, if you want to keep updated on our rebrand, on everything that's to come, all the new updates that are going to be changing, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Paradise Auto Care. And as well, if you want some email updates or text message updates, if you're a client and a customer, want to make sure that if there's any updates on, for example, discounts, for example, any big giveaways, anything like that, some more tips and tricks on how to care for your car, and as well as any sales or promotions, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter where you're going to be able to be notified of any of those changes. So I thank you again so much for your support over the years for this big change, and I'm super happy for the change. It's so meaningful for me, and I really hope it's meaningful for you as well. I really hope you guys are as happy as I am, with the big change, and you find a lot more meaning, and this is going to be something that is going to continue to grow, to scale. And the bigger we grow, the more we scale, the better service that we're going to bring to you at the end of the day, the better videos, the better content. Everything is going to continue to get better, more, faster, and that's the goal at the end of the day. So I hope you're happy with it, and if you're happy with overall the big changes that are coming to the business, feel free to comment down below, like this video again, if this is something that was meaningful for you and it's something that you enjoy. I'm glad you stayed throughout this entire video and watched to the end. So again, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate your support over the years. I know a lot of you have been around for many, many years. So again, now with this rebrand, now with the referral rewards program, go to the comments down below if you're a client, or go to the description down below. We'll explain a little bit more, and you know, we're gonna give you a little bit of a gift. So if you ever refer any friends, any family members, you're gonna get a gift from my part, and you're gonna be able to get compensated, because you know, we appreciate every single referral. We appreciate everything that everybody does for us, and we're gonna make sure that you get taken care of as well. We're gonna give you a nice little discount. So whenever you get a detail service, you're gonna get taken care of as much as we possibly can. And now again, for any of our clients listening, with Paradise Auto Care, we have our new referral rewards program. So if you are gonna be referring any friends and family members, which a lot of you already have, I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. I thank you so much. So because you're watching this, because you know, you watched this whole video, you know about this rebrand, you know, you're supporting us, and I appreciate you for supporting us through this entire thing. I'm gonna make sure that you guys get taken care of, for sharing the word about our services, for sharing it with a friend, with a family member, and we're gonna make sure to get you taken care of as well, and get you a reward for all of your referrals that you bring over to us, which we greatly appreciate. So thank you again, everybody, for all your support, our watchers, viewers, listeners, clients, friends, family. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart in this huge change, not only in my personal life in the past year, but now in this business, and this is what I wanna share with the world. So thank you so much for your support. Like this video if you love exactly you know, this rebrand, this change, our business. You support us, like this video, subscribe to see more things like this, more updates, car related content, detailing related content, whatever you want to see, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Again, it's Mike Reynoso, now with Paradise Auto Care. So God bless you all, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.